Hi, so my name is Giuseppe Beppe Mettere, and I'm organizing this meeting in categorical algebra here in Edolo. We gathered almost 50 mathematicians to discuss our subjects in algebra and category theory. And why do we decide to come here? Because this is part of the University of Milan. I am from the University of Milan, and our meetings started 20 years ago in the University of Milan. And well, I think that this location is simply fantastic to do this meeting. So the real question would be why we didn't do it before here.
Hi, my name is Marco Badini. I'm a researcher at the University of Louvain in Belgium. I'm a postdoc researcher, and I'm a participant in this conference, which just started today. And I think it's a very, very nice place. It allows our brains to be fresh here in the mountains so that we can speak about math. During these days, we have many talks going on where people present their research, but there's also a lot of space to allow for interactions between us researchers so that we can develop hopefully new and beautiful mathematics.
Hello, I'm Maria Manuel Clementino. I'm a professor from the University of Coimbra in Portugal. And I'm here as a participant, but also as a member of the scientific committee of the conference. This conference took place in Milano and Gargnano and now here. I love to be at the lake, but this time the experience to be in the mountains seems perfect to me. I've just arrived, but I hope to have very enjoyable days, both attending the participants and my colleagues and enjoying the mountain environment and the quiet of these beautiful mountains.